Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy fitness classes with Planet Fitness, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy fitness classes with Planet Fitness, begin by researching the available class options. Visit the official Planet Fitness website or app to familiarize yourself with the class schedule. Determine the target audience for your fitness classes, whether beginners, advanced members, or specific demographic groups. Set clear objectives for your classes, such as improving member engagement or promoting a healthy lifestyle. Once you have a vision, outline the types of classes you want to offer, such as yoga, Zumba, or high-intensity. Secure the necessary certifications or qualifications if required to lead specific fitness classes. Next, coordinate with Planet Fitness Management to gain approval and support for your class initiative. Develop a detailed class plan, including duration, frequency, and the format of each session. Consider the equipment and space needed for the classes, ensuring everything is available at your facility. Create marketing materials to promote your classes, utilizing both physical flyers and digital platforms. Share the class schedule with members through the website, app, and in-club announcements. Encourage feedback from your initial classes to assess the interests and needs of participants. Adapt your offerings based on this feedback to improve and expand your class lineup. Maintain ongoing communication with members to keep them informed about new classes and updates. Monitor attendance and engagement levels to evaluate the success of your fitness classes. Continuously seek opportunities for improvement and innovation within your class offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.